All right, today's secret sauce is heat pressing DTF transfers. I'm often asked about how to heat press DTF transfers because, it's still a fairly new process. So some decorators just don't know how to do it, or because, as with most new processes, there's a lot of varied information out there about how to heat apply a DTF transfer. First, there are three types of DTF transfer material. There's cold peel, there's hot peel, and the very new instant peel. So cold peel means you press the transfer, you'll commonly remove it from the hot platen, allow it to cool for 30 seconds or so. You can rub the back of the transfer with a heat eraser or just a rolled up t-shirt to speed the process. Hot peel means after pressing, you'll wait for about 5 seconds, then peel the transfer carrier sheet. Usually this is done on the heat press, so you can immediately do a second press. And we're going to talk about the second press here in just a second. Instant peel is just what it says. Open the heat press and peel the transfer carrier sheet immediately. So does it make a difference which I choose? Honestly, it's just a matter of preference. You'll see a slight difference in the finished graphic among the three options. So some people prefer hot peel because they think it increases their production speed. Others say they stack the cold peel shirts while they cool and work back through the stack. Honestly, I speak to operators all the time who swear by their chosen method. So whichever you choose to use, sample all the option and choose the one that works best for you. The next question is, do I have to press a second time? There's nothing set in stone that says you have to do a second press, but two things occur with that second press after you've peeled the transfer sheet. One is the second press can assure good adhesion after you've peeled that film away. And two, you can soften the feel of the image with the second press. On this second press, some people use parchment paper or a Teflon sheet to cover the graphic. What I recommend is to lay a t-shirt or a sheet of buckram from the fabric store over the image before you press. This will give you a texture to the graphic and make the transfer look and feel softer. So how about time and temperature? One of the incredible benefits of DTF transfers is that you can successfully apply it to almost any fabric or even porous hard substrates. I press for 15 seconds on the first press, anywhere from 275 degrees to 325 degrees. Items that could be damaged by the heat, like 100% polyester, would be at that lower end, 275 degrees. 100% cotton, I'm going to be at the higher end at 325 degrees. My second press will be for 5 seconds and the garment is ready to go. If you haven't tried DTF transfers yet, the washability, by the way, is extraordinary. And that's my secret sauce for today.